Okay, that's it. We're ready. Are you ready to talk about transformation tools in Adobe Photoshop?
We already did that.
We tried once. This is take number 2, right?
No.
Because the last time we got interrupted, and we're going to start again. It did not work out so well. So this is number 2. We're going to make this. We're going to make it happen right here. All right. So first thing people need to know: keyboard shortcut equals Command T. All right, Command T on a Macintosh. All right. So that's what we're doing. All right. First thing we need to do. We need some layers. You start every video out like that, don't you, silly boy?
Silly boy.
Yes. Here's what we're making. Look. Do you recognize that little boy?
Yeah.
Who is that little boy?
Quinn.
Yes. We're going to make this smaller. Let's make a little space here. We're a little tight on space. Okay. There's the mighty Quinn on his tricycle. Yeah. You've outgrown that tricycle now, haven't you?
Yeah.
All right. What we're going to do today to show the transformation tools is this type right down here at the bottom where it says version 1.0. Fixed gear version 1.0. So I'm going to turn off our old type here, okay? It's the whole layer set. All right, I had to do the version 1.0 separately. And then we'll need some type, right? Let's just take our type tool and write version 1.0. Except we're just going to write version right now, okay? I did it in all caps. Okay, and then before I do anything else, actually I should have kept my type tool. We're going to apply a little text warp right here. See this little icon up here, the little T? I want to make it bubble out a little bit on the bottom. So we can try a few things. We can do arch lower and see how that works.
Yeah.
Let's just do that. That looks pretty awesome. We could do a little distortion on the side to side too if you want to. No, you know what? No, I'm not going to. Okay. There we go. Now I can always access that again. Whenever I select the text, I can always go back and click on that again if I want to change it back. Okay. Now here's what I'm going to do. Before I do anything else, I'm going to have to rasterize this text. You wouldn't have to do this with your normal layers. What?
I'm just singing the song of the Diego.
Oh, a Diego song? Okay. Do you want to sing version 1.0?
No.
Yeah, that's a pretty bad song. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this layer just so I have a copy. So I'm going to turn the vector version off, and we'll call this version rasterized. Because we're going to rasterize this here in just a second. Watch. Just go up to our layer and rasterize type. Now the reason I'm doing this is because there's a few options in the transformation dialog box that I need that won't be available if it's vector based. Alright, and now I can do it. Here we go, Command T. And then look, if I do Command T I can do a whole bunch of things, but I can't get a lot of things very easily without control clicking on it and saying, hey, perspective. Let's change the perspective. We need this guy going out in space, don't we? Like so. And then I need to rotate it again, so I can click. Again, I'm control clicking, and I can say rotate. And I can rotate a little bit. I can move this down here. And you know what? I need more perspective going the other way, definitely.
Daddy,
yes, watch.
Cut my hair.
You want to do what?
I gotta cut my hair.
Today?
Yeah, because the hair is in my eyes.
Okay. Let's do this, and then we'll cut your hair. How's that sound? I wouldn't worry about it. Here, let's just do this for now. Here, we can go. You want to do mohawk? Want to do mohawk?
It still within me.
It won't stay up until we put some, well, we'll just cut it. What's the concern all of a sudden with your hair?
Oh, I want to do a haircut.
Okay, we'll do a haircut in just a minute. But you're missing the cool part. Look at your text now, bud. Look at, see, it's looking like it's like going to look like a little road right here. And we'll scale it some too. All right, so we click on here, we can say scale. And we'll get our scale icon back, and I can hold down Shift. I just want to scale it a hair. Cool beans? That looks pretty good. Do you think?
Yeah.
All right, I can grab the move tool and tweak this right into spot.
Yeah.
Let's see, how do I want that? I can use my little arrow keys on my keyboard too, look.
I got your
You got what?
I got me eye. I got me eye. Nope, you can't.
Okay, those are the transformation tools. Just remember, you can apply them all at once. Just control and hold down the control key and click in the box. And then you can do perspective. And you can do all those things under free transform or under transform.
Oh,
alright? So you can reach all these guys.
And the juice right here.
The end.